Today, I'm going to talk about patents. I'm going to explain why patenting your new product idea or invention is not always the best decision. Did you know the odds of getting a patent is only 48%? Well, continue watching this video to determine if patenting is right for you. I often get asked the question, do I need a patent for my new product idea or invention? But before I answer this, let's first understand what is a patent. A patent is a form of intellectual property that gives its owner the right to exclude others from making, using, selling, and importing a product for up to 20 years. The hard truth about patents is only 10% get approved on the first pass. That means you will most likely have to invest more money in legal expenses and additional time, possibly years, to see if your patent will get approved. And even then, only 48% of utility patents ever get approved. If you are the lucky ones that does get a utility patent, there are also ongoing maintenance fees at year 4, 8, and 12 in the US, and in many other countries, maintenance fees are due yearly if you choose to get an international patent. Maintenance fees will cost thousands of dollars, and if not paid, your patent will expire. Now, many people believe getting a patent is something they need to do to protect their idea. But you don't even need a patent to start manufacturing and selling your product online. Did you know that less than 3% of all patent owners ever get their products to market? Most spend all their budget on legal expenses and have nothing left to pay for designing, prototyping, manufacturing, and launching their product. You can end up with a framed patent certificate on your bedroom wall, but never get to market. So should you patent your new product idea or build a brand? Making the decision to patent or build a brand is an important one, especially when self-funding a project. Since patenting is expensive, some people may be better off not filing for a patent and instead launch the product and build a brand. But if you don't patent, can't someone just copy the product and rip you off? Anyone could copy your product idea, whether you have a patent or not. But the real question is, what would you do about it? What most people don't know is a patent infringement lawsuit can cost $100,000 or more. You can spend this money on a lawsuit and win, but never collect, as the person or company could file for bankruptcy. Now, was that a good financial investment, spending $100,000 on a lawsuit and possibly getting nothing in return? What do you think would have happened if you invested that same $100,000 on advertising? Well, if your paid advertising is efficient, you could have made another $1 million in revenue. If you have enough funding and the idea is patentable, I would always recommend filing for a patent. But if you have limited funds, you may want to consider not patenting and focusing on building a brand. Just assume someone will copy you. Make sure you have a quality product and work to maintain market share, as knockoffs are usually made quickly and cheaply, and these companies may not last long anyway.